Hello people, you have come along my first tutorial video, and today I will be showing you how to make your very own lyric video that you can post on YouTube or do whatever you want with. So yeah, what the first step is going to be to open Windows Movie Maker 2.6. and it has to be 2.6. It's gonna look like this. Now this is a freeware, so you can do whatever you want with it. You can get it for free, and it also has a lot of other purposes other than just making lyric videos. So the first thing you're going to do is import your music, because what's a lyric video without music? Oh wait, it's not a lyric video. So I've got mine here. It's 25 or 6:4. So what I'm going to do is I am going to drag that down here into this area. So let's see. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is make titles or credits. You're going to click this button here and wait for it to load if your computer is slow like mine. So this first one is going to be at the beginning. But we need to do one more thing. We need to go into the internet and make sure we have the lyrics. Because if you don't have the lyrics, then unless you have it memorized, you don't really know what to put. So 25 or 6:4 lyrics. Okay, so we've got them right here. So now, what we're going to do, title at the beginning of the movie. Let's call it 25 or 6:4 Chicago. Now there are a lot more things that you can do than just having it that plain little boring thing. I'm gonna change my font to, let's see, what do I want? I'm gonna change it to Impact, and I'm gonna make color red with a black background. What the heck? I think that'll look nice, but not orange with purple background. It's getting all okay. What's going on? Red and black. Red and black. And then we're gonna change the animation. There are a lot of different things that you can do. One of my favorites for this specific sort of video would be, where is it? I have to find it. Sorry. I like moving titles layered. Doesn't that look cool? I think that looks cool. Sorry that took me so long. But, so we're going to click Done, Add Title to Movie. So if we look at the beginning of it, we'll see. So, obviously, we're going to have some more. But, as you know, in this specific song, the audio goes on for a little longer. So I'm just going to stretch this out a little, as much as I want, and see how that works, and I'm just gonna fast forward. And see, I need to stretch that a little more. Oh, wow. Let's stretch that out a lot. One, two. Okay, well, that's perfect. So now what I'm going to do is make titles or credits, and it's going to be after the selected clip in the timeline. And so let's see what the first lyric is. Waiting for the break of day. Okay, that's fun. We're gonna copy and paste, which I apparently can't do, so sorry about that. I don't know what was wrong, but so I'm just gonna copy, paste in here, and it's all already set up because that's how I set it up. So I'm gonna see how long that goes on and see how that sounds. I need to stretch it out a little more maybe. So then I'm gonna add new title, searching for something to say. Oh, whoops. What happened? So make titles or credits. I'm sorry about that. After the selected clip, paste. Done. I'm gonna make that about the same size. Okay, that looks good. Now, you're just going to keep doing this and doing this until your song is over. And like at some points in the song, if there's a guitar solo, maybe you would want to have a thing that says guitar solo. Whatever you want to do or think is fit for that song. So, I'm obviously not done yet, but I've done this before, so I'm just going to show you how to save it when you actually are done. You're going to click File and Save Movie File, which is apparently Control P. Wait a sec for that. Save it to my computer. Next. My videos. Lyric. Video, whatever you want to call it. Next. Next. So now you're just gonna let this run for a sec. You can see the percentage that has gone by. So we'll just wait for that. And as you can see, these really are quite easy to make if you just do it. It's just a matter of taking the bull by the horns and just cutting and pasting and cutting and pasting, and it takes a little bit, but it's fine. So we're done with that, and now, okay, so you would actually want to save that in that case, but I am not going to. So now I'm just going to show you what the real thing looks like that I had already made and posted on YouTube in another account of mine that I had. So this is what it's going to look like, and as you'll notice, it looks exactly the same. Now it does look a little blurry, but hey, you're viewing this in the full screen of the computer. If you make it a little smaller and then actually make it the size of what it would look like on YouTube, probably about that big, you can see it's not at all blurry, and it really looks absolutely great. So that is how you make a lyric video. Thank you for watching this tutorial.